And rising DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Today's video is 2 glamorous high-end DIYs. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this DIY project started. And if this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. Now you may be asking yourself, what do I get here on the Glam Queen of DIY? I am so glad you asked. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you got DIY room decor, you get DIY home decorating ideas, DIY wall decor, DIY hacks, DIY accessories, and DIY renovations on a budget. Now, if all of that sounds interesting to you, you need to make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell twice, and once it turns blue, you'll know every time that I am uploading a video. Now, if you're just tuning in for the first time, why don't you check out 3 or 4 more videos here on this channel? You can get your feel of DIY decor, you can get some wall decor, you can get some room stylings, a few tablescapes here. But please make sure that you join the family and you watch several videos in the process. And to my Glam family, not only do you get Glam DIY decor, make sure you do check out the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, Fit for Queen. All of my channel links will be listed in the description box. And to these DIYs, some of the items that's featured through BB Craft, Total Dazzled, and Bead Park. All of that information stays in my description box. All affiliate links is always in that description box, so please make sure you check it out. Also, please check out that Goldie link in that description as well. If you're like me, I'm embarking on a healthy lifestyle journey, and Goldie is my first line of defense to helping me become more healthy. So hit that link as well.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come.
And if you do Mod Podge crafts, I have a video on how to prevent glitter fallout. That video is actually linked down in my description box. Also, make sure you check it out. Anything that's dealing with glitter, you guys, so that you don't have glitter everywhere. There's a technique you can use to seal it. Also, be on the lookout because I do have an updated video coming with the 7 different ways you can prevent glitter fallout. And this is that first DIY completed, you guys. This piece is very gorgeous. I am actually loving it. I hope you are liking it as well. Drop me a comment. What is your favorite look about this DIY? Or leave me a comment if this is actually a DIY that you will replicate. And you guys, today's inspiration is this. God has not forgotten you. You will bounce back from every setback and negative situation you are experiencing. Your story has already been written. Your final scene has already been shot. You don't end in failure. You end in victory. Just know this. God has a reason for everything. Are you positioning yourself to learn from the situation so that you can yield for yourself a greater outcome? Or are you positioning yourself to stay in the same situation for it to be repeated over and over and over? You guys, once we learn life lessons, God equips us to be able to handle situations. And when you see a situation with a similarity to what you've already went through, you know how to govern yourself. You know how to grip yourself. You know how to stand and face it. But you also know you have the victory. You guys, no matter what you're going through, I promise you, God has something special in store for you. And once again, family, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you go over the channel, check out a few of the videos, and if you like what you see, please share the video with your family and your friends. But make sure you do hit that subscribe button and turn that bell blue. hit it twice and you'll always know when I am uploading a video. And to my family, thank you so very much. We have hit that 20,000 follower milestone. I do appreciate y'all love and support. Please continue to help push the channel. Our next goal is 30K, and I'm telling you guys, with y'all faithful loyal love and support, we can hit that milestone very quickly. And I'm hoping you like this DIY as well. I hope it gave you some inspiration. And too, guys, every DIY that you see here featured on the Glam Queen of DIY, but not just here, every DIY creator, we do these DIYs only to give you inspiration. Now, if there are certain things about the DIYs that you don't like, they're only given for inspiration. Take the part that you like and recreate you something fabulous. And if you do recreate one of these DIYs that I have created, drop me an email and let me see what you created. That email, GlamQueenofDIY@gmail.com, is always down in that description box. Leave me a comment which one of these was your favorite. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.